Hey, what's up guys, Davis here, and today I'll be doing a double unboxing of these two phones, the Samsung Galaxy A14 and the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, as you guys can see here, right? So in this video, we're going to just be doing an unboxing and yeah, just generally looking at what you get in the box and looking at the phones. Yeah, and in the subsequent videos, I won't be making a lot of content on these two phones. And if you guys have any questions about these two phones, put them down in the comment section. Yeah, I'll be picking from some of those to make some other videos and maybe answer some of your queries about these two phones. Right, so let's start off with the A14 right here. So for the A14, to unbox it, you're just going to make sure to break the seal at the bottom here at the top and then pull from the top like that. So I've already unboxed these phones and I've just repackaged them for you guys. I've already started reviewing them so that I've accurate testing on them. Right, so for the A14, this is what you see in the box. The phone is the first thing that you see, and then at the bottom right there, that's where you find the box in the box as always. And this is what holds your USB-C to USB-C cable, and your user manual as well. You also get a user manual right there, and that's just about that you get in the box. And you also get your SIM ejector tool right in there. Right, you also get some stickers right here. Let me see in there within the box right here. Right, so these are your IMEI stickers as well if you need those. They also come in the box, so just inside here. Right, so that's all that you get in the box with the A14 right here. So let's go ahead and pull it out. So the device is already on. As I said, I've been testing it already, and you guys should expect a lot of videos in the coming weeks about these devices. And if you have any queries, put them down in the comment section. I'll be looking at them. So this is the Galaxy A14 in all its glory right here. Have your fingerprint scanner on the side. These flat sides, these slight curves, but mostly flat sides. It really feels solid on here. So I'll reserve the rest of my thoughts for the full reviews. Right, so that's for the A14. If you guys have any queries on these phones, just let me know. Right, put that together, and now take a look at the A54 right here. So for the Galaxy A54, the seals are at the bottom, so basically you're going to have to break this and that, those two seals right there, and then just lift up the box like this. Right, and the first thing that you'll see is the device itself, obviously, and this time the box is in the upper part of the box rather than at the bottom like we saw in the A14. Right, so even with the A54, all you get in the box is this box contains your USB-C to USB-C cable and your user manual. That's basically all that you get with these phones these days right there. And you also get your SIM ejector tool as well for the A54 5G right here. Then let's take a look at the device itself. It's also already turned on right here, as you can see. It's a very nice looking device right here and has some weight to it. As you guys know, the back is glass, front is glass as well right there. Okay, so this is a Galaxy A54 5G right here. Very nice phone. I like the form factor this here, and I like the camera rings. They look really stylish. You can easily mistake this phone for the Galaxy S23. I like that about it, and has some weight to it. I like when something is hefty, a little bit hefty, has some heft to it. Feels a bit premium. Exactly. So this is the Galaxy A54 5G in all its glory. You have your USB-C speaker. A very nice display over here. Right guys, so that's it for this video guys. If you have any questions about any of these phones, I won't be making a lot of content on these, and you guys should subscribe for that. Right, if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section and I'll be going through them and picking them up and making videos where possible, and maybe answering some of your queries straight up in the comments. Great. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.